Everybody's talking about attackers using AI. Almost nobody is showing you what the defenders are building back. Look at this room. This is Swarm at Black Hat 2026. Tenable decided it was time to take action and bring the security community together to build open source agentic AI. Anybody who wants in, gets in, and the room filled up. What they're contributing to is the CyberAgents Exchange, open source, vendor agnostic, free to list, free to use. Real tools built for real problems, contributed in the open so collective defense gets stronger. You can see exactly who wrote every component and whether the community stands behind it.
So they're creating agents, skills, MCP servers, and even, playbooks, if you will. Security is a team sport, right? We're going back to our roots a little bit and we're talking about open source. How do we help the greater security teams to be more effective, more efficient, and help each other, right?
Which raises the obvious question. 50 engineers building agents is exciting, but if you're the one signing off on it, what do CISOs actually get out of this?
Whenever you have emerging technology, emerging issues, there's no programmatic way to address them today. We're all trying to figure out what does best practices look like? How do we build a program? So the more we can share and create that team sport or collaborative defense, that's useful to us because we're trying to figure out what that looks like for us. And this is a way to foster the development of those ideas and shared defense.
That's the business case. And make no mistake, this was a competition judged by AWS, Anthropic, and Tenable's own CSO.
We weren't even thinking about prices, to be honest. We were just more excited about having the opportunity to build this and help us and help other people.
Thousands in Anthropic credits, swag. One winner walked out with an NVIDIA DGX Spark supercomputer. And these two forgot the prizes existed. They're here for the person trying to get from zero to secure.
This is something that we can build and share with more people and bring whatever other people are doing or trying to do to solve type of problems. What if we can put that one in open source and create agents and skills so everybody start connecting everything and start opening the risk analysis and visibility of everything in a better way. And so that was we need to get into this right away.
75 plus components are live right now. Attackers got a head start with AI. This is what catching up looks like. Visit exchange.tenable.com. Go take something. Better yet, go build something. See you at the next Swarm Build event.